Hey there. We are in a day when just listing on one venue may not be the best business decision. So over the years, I have added different venues that I cross-post to. And those are, let's see, for me, it's Etsy, Poshmark. Um, what else? I was doing Mercari. I don't do Mercari anymore. Mercari drives me crazy. Um, I've used Bonanza. Anyway, there's several of them out there. And when softwares came around that were affordable to cross-post, I have really checked them all out. And I have now found the one that I am sticking with and using. And even though it's a little bit more than I would like to be spending, it is paying for itself. And that's the key. No matter what you use, you need to track your numbers and make sure it's making sense in your business. So let me show you how List Perfectly works for my business and how I use it to cross-post onto other sites. Let's go. Okay, so I'm in where my Manage Active Listings page is on eBay. Now, I create the listing on eBay first. This is the way I do it, and then I do the express cross-posting. Some of you may want to make the listing directly on the List Perfectly site, which is over here. It looks like this. You want to add a product right here. See, I don't use this. I don't even know how this all works exactly. I just know that you can create your listing right here and then push it out to the venues. And that's what that looks like. And I may play around with this at some point. But for me now, just using the express cross-posting, and it looks like this. So you'll have this little button here, and I'm going to list these. I want to put them over on Poshmark. So here's the list of all the places that you can cross-post to. Grailed, Mercari, Poshmark, eBay, Etsy, TradeZ, Facebook, Depop, and they are adding more. Depending on when you were watching this, somewhere down the line, this list could be a lot longer. What's really cool is if I want to go to more than one place, I can select all of the places I want to send this product to, and it's going to pull up a screen for each one of those and let me cross-post it. For now, I'm just going over to Poshmark, and then I'm going to hit copy. Now, what you can't see is my tab bar up above, but I can see that it's working. And in just a second, it's going to pop over to a Poshmark screen, like right now, because what it was doing was copying the information from the eBay listing to come over here. And the first thing, it's got the pictures populated, right? Okay, so here are the pictures all in there. Here's my title all in there. Now, the Poshmark titles are shorter, so I have to adjust that. Actually, you know what? US is fine. We'll just keep it like that. Then it's got my description that came over from eBay. I do have to select a category, and this is jewelry, and it's earrings, easy peasy. Have to select a size, okay? It is not new with, well, it is new with tags, but yeah, I'm not gonna worry about that. So it's got the brand it imported in here, colors, I'm gonna go silver. And original price, that is something that's needed on Poshmark, so we have to, and that's not something that's on eBay. And I'm going to assume, well, maybe I can look if that is one of the things you can fill in if you're actually creating the listing here. Yeah, see, it's here. This would be the original price. So if you create the listing in List Perfectly, that would autofill. But for my purposes, we're just going to leave that as 0. and our listing price has populated over. And then that's it, guys. That now is on Poshmark. Whereas if I had to go over and create this listing on Poshmark without this software, it would take a lot longer. And then you just come back here. Let's say I want to do one more here. Now it knows I was listing on Poshmark on the last one. It's going to bring that up again. Copy. It's processing. I can see up there that there is a browser tab window that is populating. And in just a second, it is going to pop up and it's bringing in the images. And it tells you that. Okay, so it's brought in the images. And let's go down, just double check. Title, description, add a category. I forgot what this was. Oh, it's a bracelet. One size, unbranded. We're gonna add silver to this as well on the color. Then original price here. You see, literally, I created that in just seconds. Literally, I just listed that on another venue in seconds. And you've always heard me say, if you've followed me at all, time is money. And this is a time saver that equates into more money in your pocket. So look at the cost of the software versus the time savings, which actually gives you back more time to make more money. And look at it that way. And look at the extra sales you're going to get by cross-listing over to these other sites that just make sense. All right, that's it. It's that easy. If you want to list perfectly and give it a try, you can use the link down in the description where you will also get a discount. And make sure you're hitting the subscribe button and notification button so you know every time I upload a new video to give you more tips, tricks, and fun stuff to go make your business profitable and make it fun. All right, we'll see you on the next one.